are some diffuser blends for congestion? Well, in this video, I'm going to be covering 5 great diffuser blends for congestion coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'm also going to be sharing a great recipe for a congestion and cough relief balm and a great roller bottle recipe for congestion as well. Now let's jump into the video. So our first diffuser blend for congestion is a blend called Congestion Buster. For this one, we're going to be using 2 drops of oregano, 2 drops of lemon, 2 drops of tea tree, and 2 drops of peppermint essential oil in our diffuser. For our next congestion diffuser blend, you're going to want to put 3 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of eucalyptus, and 3 drops of peppermint in your diffuser. I have 3 more great recipes to share with you, but it's very important to point out that the quality of the essential oil that you're using is very important. We are obviously going to be breathing in these essential oils into our lungs, so we want to make sure that we are using only the purest, best quality essential oil that we have available to us. I've done a lot of research on the purity of oils, and I really encourage you to research it as well. And if you'd like to check out the oils that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I cover the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils, then check out the link in the description below. Okay, for our third diffuser blend for congestion, you're going to be putting 3 drops of peppermint, 2 drops of eucalyptus, 2 drops tea tree, and 1 drop of lemon essential oil in your diffuser. Our fourth diffuser blend is 8 drops of eucalyptus, 8 drops of tea tree, 5 drops of peppermint, and 3 drops of rosemary essential oils in your diffuser. Our fifth and final diffuser blend for congestion is 3 drops of lemongrass, 2 drops of lavender, 2 drops of clove, 2 drops of eucalyptus, 2 drops of tea tree, 2 drops of peppermint, and 2 drops of orange essential oils in your diffuser. Now, I've linked up all of these oils below this video, so if you'd like to check them out more, feel free to do so. And like I mentioned, I also have an incredible congestion relief balm and roller bottle recipe to share with you now. But if you are someone that likes to show off your love for essential oils, then check out the link below to my Etsy shop where I have an ever-growing selection of oily t-shirts and other items that you can get for yourself or as a gift for your oily friend. Now, our first recipe is a congestion and cough relief balm. So for this one, you're going to be using 5 drops of lavender, 8 drops of eucalyptus, 2 drops of thyme, and 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. And what we're going to be doing with these is we're going to mix them all in a glass jar, and we're going to rub it on our chest, put it under our nose, and on our feet. And then of course, we're going to put socks on after that. And our second recipe is a roller bottle recipe for congestion. For this one, we're going to be using 4 drops of frankincense, 10 drops of peppermint, 2 drops of lemon, 10 drops of eucalyptus, and we'll also need fractionated coconut oil and of course a 10 milliliter glass roller bottle. Then we're going to put all of the essential oils in the roller bottle and fill the bottle the rest of the way up with the fractionated coconut oil. And then we'll use this on the bottom of our feet and on our chest. Now, if you would like the free PDF of these 2 great recipes, as well as some other incredible recipes for coughs, colds, congestion, and more, then check out the link in the description below. Now, click or tap the screen here to check out my video all about the best essential oils for congestion, or click or tap the screen here to check out another one of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.